Hello everybody, good afternoon, good morning, good day. I hope you are all doing excellent. Okay, thank you for joining me. My name is Dare. You know me already from YouTube. I'm going to be your host today. I'm going to be your mentor today, and I'm going to train you today. I will show you a few things that probably you've had before, but maybe good time to hear it again. Okay, first of all, thank you very much for telling me that it's loud and clear. That is beautiful. Okay, so who am I? Because I understand that you want to know who I am before you deal with me. Okay, as I said, my name is Dare. I got introduced by a friend who trades stocks over 20 years ago. So, like everybody else, I jumped straight into Forex trading. I did a very little demo trading and I opened my first live account with a broker that is consistently requoting me. Of course, needless to say that I blew my first account within 4 weeks. Just 4 weeks, I blew the first account. Well, why? I was using a strategy that I found on the internet that seems to work during the short period of testing it. However, it miserably failed in live trading environment. That's my story. Having blown my first account, I was contacted by a company. They said, oh, look, they promised me that they are going to trade for me profitably. So, well, I decided to give them my money and I tried them out. You know what happened this time around? I opened an account with them, yes. They advised that I should deposit a larger amount in order to make it worthwhile, which I did. So I put quite a lot of money on that place because I think they want to trade for me. I must say, it took them less than 4 weeks to blow that account for me. You remember I just blew my own account previously? So after that, I decided that I am not going to, if I'm going to trade at all, honestly, if I'm going to trade at all, it has to be myself doing the trading. Why? Because I'm going to learn from it. And I'm going to become a better trader because I'm learning. Well, I made a second blunder again. You know, I got introduced to the world of robots. You know, expert advisor, robot. Well, you know what it is. So I bought 2 expert advisors, which cost me nearly $1,000 US. Well, instead of the expert advisor to turn my account into profit, what happens? They instead wipe out my account due to the way the expert advisor is trading. Well, you think I should have given up, right? So at this point, I am left with just 2 options. One is either I quit or I find a solution. Well, I choose the second option. So I set myself a challenge. I say I want to build a strategy that works. If I succeed in becoming profitable, I'm going to stick to it. Otherwise, I'm going to call it a day. No more trading. So to achieve my objective, what did I do? I went to look for a true mentor. Somebody that can teach me how to do it. The mentor developed an indicator which turned out to be the honest and accurate indicator I have ever seen up until that time. Having learned how to use this indicator, how this indicator works, then I built my first strategy based on that indicator. So remember, I've opened the first live account, blew it. The second live account, it was blown by a professional trader. I opened the third live account, but this time I deploy my own strategy based on the understanding I have and with good risk management. Well, resilience paid off. My strategy produced a good profit in 1 month of live trading. Now that I understand what made up a good strategy, I have since gone on to build several winning strategies for myself and my students. You know me already on YouTube that I've taught a lot of people, even students that have paid me to teach them. Having coached hundreds of students, I realized that the limitation to them being profitable is not just the strategy, but it is the lack of adequate mentorship. The same thing that happened to me, because until I got the mentor who showed me what to do, I wasn't profitable. Hence, your trade mentor tonight was established to build an army of 1 million successful traders, and we're on our way of achieving that. That is our goal. We want to make 1 million people to become a successful trader. So thank you so much for joining me tonight. I'm sure you guys are interesting. Thank you so much for joining me. So first of all, I'm going to give you an excellent strategy that I'm currently using. I'm using this strategy to trade. So I'm going to give you a strategy that works, because you know that the first thing you need in Forex, you need a good strategy. Apart from the strategy, you need a lot of things as well, right? So first of all, somebody might think that mentorship is too expensive. Oh, if I get a mentor, how much am I going to pay? It's going to cost me a lot of money. But think about it. Lack of mentorship, lack of education is going to still cost you a lot of money in the other way, because you are going to waste quite a lot of money to the broker. Okay, so I am going to show you a particular strategy that I believe is it's going to be very, very interesting. Yes, so I will show you that strategy, and you can see my screen here. Okay, this is a scalping strategy that I'm going to show you. Okay, although you know that there are too many coaches around, a lot of coaches are there. They claim that they can teach you and they can show you how to trade, but they themselves, they can't show you their results. They can't show you how they perform in the market. So in my group, you will see our performance, you will see students' results, okay, because we are result oriented. All right. So somebody might say, oh, you're a beginner. All right, you're a beginner, you started trading recently. Is this going to be for you? Yes, it is for you. Even if you are an experienced trader, you've been trading for many years, this is still going to work for you. All right, thank you so much everybody that is online right now. So let me tell you about this simple strategy. I call it scalping strategy. It's a scalping strategy, very simple. Everybody will get it here. It is used on any pair, but let's use the lower time frame. We are going to use it on a 5-minute time frame. Okay, 5-minute time frame. And how does it work? The premise of this strategy is that we want to take trades during the low volatility period, when the market is very quiet. Okay, you all know when market is quiet, it is after the US and the European close. When the European and the US market has closed, the market is always very quiet just before the Asia market opens. Okay, so we are targeting in UK terms, in GMT time, we are targeting 7 p.m. to start trading. You can write it down in your paper. 7 p.m. That is just about 8 minutes ago. So if you are joining me now, I am starting this lesson, this seminar, this training at the time that I am supposed to start trading using this strategy. So for all of you, wherever you are, which country you are from Africa, America, Asia, wherever you are, write it down. You are starting trading this very hour, about 8 minutes ago. So there's no confusion about what time, because sometimes when you are converting from GMT to EST to American time to Canada, it might be confusing, but write it down. You are starting right now at this hour, 7 p.m. UK time. Okay, so what is the strategy all about? So the first thing I ask you to write down is the time. So you are going to start using this strategy at a very low volatility period this time around. This time we are now, the market is very quiet. Okay, so we are using a 5-minute time frame. Okay, well, first of all, you know that in Forex market, a lot of people lose money. You know that they lose a lot of money in trading. And why do they lose money in trading? Okay, because they haven't actually understand yet how to make the money. Okay, some people do have the money, but they do lose it few times in trading. Okay, but you have to be consistently profitable to remain on the game. If you are consistently profitable, you are going to remain in the game. So let me give you this simple strategy. All right, so we are going to use just one indicator. It might be surprising that we are only using one indicator. You see the reason why we are using that indicator, and you are going to see the reason why it is going to work, and with a proper money management. Okay, please go ahead and give us likes if you enjoy what we are talking about. You can click the like button. Thank you so much. So I'm going to insert an indicator you all know is called Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands. Okay, so I'm going to do a Bollinger Band. Nothing fancy about it. I'm going to use exactly the same settings, no change. Everything is the same. I'm going to use just one indicator, right? Okay, there you go. That's the Bollinger Band. Okay, so good so far. Nothing special, nothing too much. It's so easy to follow. Okay, but remember that emotion is very important in trading. You need to control your emotion, and I can see why some people like to use expert advisor to trade, because it doesn't get emotionally connected or emotionally drained. But traders, one of our problem is emotion. We are being carried away with emotions, and with a proper training, with a proper money management and mentorship, you can cut that off. That crap, you can cut it off straight away. In terms of emotion, you are going to trade like a machine. You know, you're going to trade like a machine because you are treating it as a business. Okay, so now we have this added to the chart. So we're on a 5 minute. You can use any chart you want, any time frame you want. This one is a USD card. It could be anything. Okay, so let's stick to any of those. So let's first of all draw. Let's put a line on the time frame we are talking about. So we're looking at 7 o'clock, just about 12 minutes ago. Okay, so on this, it's going to be at 21 hours. Okay, so this is it. Let me put this one here. All right, so this is the start of our trading. Okay, this is just the start of our trading, ladies and gentlemen. So we are starting trading at that gold line, 7 p.m. So don't be confused about it at all. 7 p.m. on my chart, it could be 21 hours. On your chart, it could be 18 hours. On someone's chart, could be any numbers. But we are starting at just now. You can see we only have 2 5-minute candles that have opened after the start time. So we are using a live chart. We're not using anything other than the live chart here. Okay, so that is the time frame that we are going to use. We are going to use 5 minutes, and also we are going to start at exactly 7 o'clock. So first thing I want to tell you is about money management. We all know about money management, and it's a song that we all sing, hey, good money management. But how many people put that in practice? But in my group, in my own group where I mentor people, money management is our number one priority. You cannot trade without the proper money management. Whether you want to use 2% or you want to use 1% or 0.5 or 0.25, you have to be consistent. You have to use it right. Someone will say, oh, I don't want to use a stop loss, right? You've heard that before, that, oh no, stop loss isn't good. The broker, they will stop hunt you, right? I have heard that before, and believe me, I have done that as well. I have traded without a stop loss before. You know, you get a bounce for it, you get a joy initially because, you know, oh, the trade are supposed to have closed, now they went to profitable because you didn't use a stop loss. Fine. But what happened after, let's say, after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you discover that majority of them don't come back to your take profit target. They just keep running and running and running until the account is lost. So this is one of the reasons why mentorship is the most important thing to think about. All right, so now we have this Bollinger Band. You've seen this for people that just join us. is the standard period of 20, and the deviation is 2. So standard period of 20, deviation is 2. All right, so that is Bollinger Band for you. All right, so what are we looking at? What are we looking at to take a trade? Okay, so we are using this Bollinger Band as our trigger. Okay, I'll give you the simple criteria condition. Okay, let's look at the first condition is to sell. Okay, so right after 7 p.m., after this gold line, you'll be watching the Bollinger Band, the upper Bollinger Band. When price closes above it, you are going to sell. Okay, you are going to sell when price closes above it after this gold line on the 5-minute chart. So why are we doing that? Why are we selling that? Okay, the reason why we are trying to do that is because we believe that there is no volatility in the market. The market is quiet at the moment, so chances that we are going to be breaking higher high is not there, or we're going to be breaking lower lows is not there at the moment, because the market is low. It has a low volatility period. So we are going to watch for this to close above upper Bollinger Band, and once that happens, we are going to sell. Okay, so we're going to look at previous trades, but I'm just showing you a live chart right now. So you are going to sell. So when you sell, when it closes there, okay, two things you must remember. As I said before, money management is very, very important, because first of all, you have a capital that you are trading. Let's say you have $1,000 that you are trading. That's it. That's big. But some of you don't even have up to $1,000, right? They don't have up to $1,000. They have less than that. So capital is also very important when you trade. And also, you have to choose the right broker. Look at the spread, for example. Look at this spread. This is the spread here. You can see these spreads are very good. These are less than 1. Okay, this is 0.2, 0.6, 0.4. This is 1.2. This is 2.5. This is 1. That's 0.1, 0.8. Good spread, right? That's good spread. Okay, so you need a good broker as well. Now, so when you sell here, you have to set 2 targets. As you all know, you have to set 1. You have to set the take profit target, and you have to set the stop loss. So for this strategy, we are going to use fixed take profit and fixed stop loss. Okay, so the first thing we set, let's set our stop loss. Okay, so let's assume that we had a trade. This one hasn't reached the Bollinger Band yet, but let's assume that we had a trade there. It touches Bollinger Band right here. Let's assume it touches Bollinger Band right here, and we sold from here, right? So your stop loss is a fixed number. Write that number down. Your stop loss is a fixed number, 30. Write it down, 30, 30, 30. So let me draw my stop loss line here. So your stop loss will be, let me see what is the number here. From here to, that's the trade. Okay, so stop loss will be round about here. Let me measure it again. Let's see, is that 30? Is that about 30? Yes. So yeah, that's about 30. Okay, tell me guys, what is the chances that this is going to reach here in the next 1 hour? I doubt it much, because there's no volatility in the market. It can't break. There's no enough capacity for it to break the previous high. Look at this little high. It might break it a little bit, but by the time you get to this Bollinger Band, likelihood that it's going to reverse. Okay, that is one. You set your stop loss. Okay, let's change the color of the stop loss to something else. Let's change it to, I don't know, red. Maybe it will help. Let's change that to red, and let's make it dash color, something like this. Oh, I don't think you guys can see that. Okay, let's not make it dash again. Okay, that's the stop loss. Now we're gonna do take profit target. Take profit target is not going to be much. We want to take profit very quickly. Okay, the 30 pip is to protect us from being blown out, because if there is no stop loss at all, it might go to minus 50 pips, minus 100 pips, minus 200 pips. So 30 pips is like our emergency stop. We don't expect it to hit stop loss. Using strategy, it cannot hit stop loss except there is a news at 7 o'clock, which I will talk to you about, because there are some things that you need to be aware of. Okay, so first thing is that you need to take the time to trade properly. So with this strategy, you can trade properly. Properly means you use correct stop loss, you use correct take profit target, money management. The number of the lot size also matters. Okay, so now let's see. Now let's say we have gone short here. You put your stop loss over there. Your take profit, write it down. Write your take profit target is 10. Write it down in your paper. Take profit 10 pips. Okay, 10 pips is your take profit. So let me draw the take profit line. I'm going to draw it here, and I'm going to find let me change that color to kind of yellow. So yellow color. All right, so that is going to be your take profit target, but let me make it also lighter. Not too thick. Let's make it lighter like that. All right, so this is your take profit. That is TP for you. All right, so you enter short here. That is your stop loss, and here is your take profit target. Excellent. So you've done something fantastic, but remember that you got to put the appropriate number of lot sizes. Okay, well, another thing is you need to have the right concept of returns. So for example, let's take for example, if you have $1,000 account as a forex trader, what are your expectations in terms of returns every month? You hope to make double your account in a month, or make 50% return in a month, or 20% return in a month, or 10% or 5% in a month. You need to have the appropriate returns, you know, because if you don't have the right concept of what is possible, you might be over trading. Okay, you might be over trading. So you need to have the correct kind of concept. Okay, and also you need to stick to a particular strategy that you know that works. In our group, your Trade Mentor group, we have a strategy that we know it works, and we stick to it. It doesn't mean that all of us are going to use the same strategy. There is a strategy that may work for you or may not work for somebody else. But once you find something that works for you, man, keep it. Keep it. All right, so now we see that we have taken our trade here, assuming we have taken our trade. I'm using this to just teach you properly. You've taken a sell trade at this Bollinger Band. You've set your stop loss 30 pips, and you put your take profit here 10 pips. Okay, so now another twist to it is that you can take your profits two ways. One, you can take your profits when you hit that 10 pips take profit target. Excellent. That is good. That is a ideal scenario for you. But the second way of taking your profit is when it touches the middle Bollinger Band. Write that down. So you know the first way of taking profit is 10 pips. Your TP is 10 pips. The second way of taking your profit, or actually closing your trade, whether profit or no profit, the second way of exiting your trade is when it touches Bollinger middle band. Middle Bollinger Band. Write it down. It's very important. Middle Bollinger Band. That is when you close your trade. Most of the time it will be in profit, but even if it's not, you have to close your trade at that point. You don't have to wait for it to hit 30 pips. That is why I said to you, 30 pips is just like a last resort. The last resort. your trade will never reach 30 pips. It won't get to 30 pips. But let's put it there as emergency stop in case something happen and the whole currency markets are falling or rising. That your emergency stop loss will help you to stop the rot. Okay? Otherwise, you are going to exit at the middle Bollinger Band. Okay? Well, sometimes people lose confidence, right? They lose confidence in trading. I can agree with you. I can see. They've tried different strategies and they become very tired and lethargic because you can try something many times, and if you are not making it, you lose your confidence and you become emotionally drained. I've seen a lot of traders like that. They are emotionally drained. They've tried moving average, they've tried MACD, they've tried ATR, they've tried Bollinger Band, they've tried everything. It doesn't work. And if it doesn't work, what happens? You lose confidence, right? We are all human beings. You lose confidence and then you are emotionally drained, completely drained. And what happens is you're unable to fulfill your dreams. I mean, if somebody asks me what is my dream right now, right, is to do whatever I like to do. I don't want to wake up in the morning because one boss tells me I must get to the office. Never. I am my own boss. You don't tell me when I get up. You don't tell me what I do. I do what I want to do at the right time for me. So, and the good thing that at the moment, yes, that is what I'm doing right now. I call my own time. I wake up when I want to. I sleep when I want to. I work when I want to. So, I mean, that's the dream that everybody has. But if you are losing confidence, you have been trading for a while and there's no success, I believe people will lose that confidence, and you need to have a winning strategy. So let's talk about this now. So you can see that, assuming that we are in a trade, let's assuming, because we are not in a trade because we didn't get to the upper Bollinger Band. Assuming we are in a trade, right now we'll be exiting that trade. The sell trade, we'll be exiting the sell trade. So I have seen this happen over and over and over again. But remember, we are not using this strategy in a very high volatility time, not during the US market, not during Europe market. We are only using it only after those markets have closed. Right now, we started about 27 minutes ago. So only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. Okay, so only 4, 5 candles has opened after our trading has started. Okay, so that is it. So you are going to close your position right now when it touches the middle Bollinger Band. Now let's see if you are assuming that you don't take the trade if it doesn't touch the upper Bollinger Band. You have to take the trade when it touches the upper Bollinger Band. Let's say it touches and we took a trade. So for 5 minutes we are looking at about 10 pips. So that's going to be your take profit already. TP is already hit. Yes, it's already hit. So this strategy is a very simple strategy. I call it a winning strategy. Because what I'm doing tonight, I'm not just giving you crap. Okay, I'm not just giving you something that doesn't work. I'm giving you a strategy that works. But remember, you can't trade it 24 hours. In fact, let me tell you, you only open a new position only 1 hour, the hour between right now and the next 30 minutes. Okay, you can only open new position only 1 hour between 7 and 8 p.m. That's it. Between now and the next 30 minutes, you can open any new position. After that, you don't open new position. You just manage whatever position you have opened. Okay, and you can only open one position per pair. So this can be, you can use this to trade any pair you want. But remember, we're going to use a 5-minute time frame. Okay, so I call it a winning strategy. So if you are looking for a strategy, this is something you can use right away. Okay, I mean, if you make this your strategy and it works for you, you can begin to do whatever you want to do. Have more time with your family, enjoy yourself. All right. So the question is, where do you begin? Somebody will ask, where do I begin? Where do I start? So many strategies to choose from. I know. So many strategies to choose from. Yes, this is one strategy. I think if you focus on it, if you look at it properly, it's a winning strategy. I know it's a winning strategy, definitely, because I use it. Okay, so now you might be asking, is there any difference between being mentored by somebody or just getting some books and read? Okay, and there's a bit of difference there. Some people successfully, they can get books and read it and they become successful. I have few friends like that, but majority of us, we need somebody to guide us, and that is why you need to have a mentor. You need somebody to guide you, somebody that has gone there before, they have seen the problem, they have gone over it, and they failed, and they learn from it. So you don't want to, do exactly what those guys have done, So you want to have a mentor that could help you to, to traverse all the hoops and problems. So for this guy here, we are done with this trading. So let's check another pair, okay? Let's check this pair and see what happened. All right, good stuff. All right, look, this is the time here now, right? This is when we're supposed to go trade. So now the next candle, this next candle as touches the Bollinger Band. So what do? You sell. Okay, so you are going to sell at when it closes above Bollinger Band, right there when it closes above Bollinger Band. Okay, and where is your stop loss? Remember, 30 pips stop loss. Let's see whether this is 30 pips. It's gonna be, oh, this is 11 pips. 30 pips is far away. Let's see that. 30 pips is so far away that it's not likely going to get there. Right, yeah, that's 30 pips. You can see that's 30 pips. 30 pips. Okay, tell me, is it likely going to get here? No way. And your take profit target will be 10 pips. So let's do that. 10 pips will be somewhere around here. Let's measure that. That's a little bit more than 10. So 10 pips is, let's check it again. Okay, so 10 pips is just around there. That's about 10 pips. Yeah, about 10 pips here. Right. So now this is your take profit. But remember, you take profit two ways. One, when you hit your TP, or when it closes, when it touches the middle Bollinger Band. Can you see now that we are nearly hitting our take profit target? Can you see live trading? We are nearly hitting our take profit target, and within how many minutes? Within a few minutes. If this bearish candle touches the middle Bollinger Band, we are out of that trade. So you bank in your profit. So here I told you it's a scalping strategy. Okay, scalping strategy means that you are not expecting 20 pips, 40 pips. No. You are expecting 3 pips, 1 pip, 2 pips, 4 pips, because we are in a low volatility time now. Right now, there's nothing going on. Activity is very low. You want to capitalize on that activity, low activities to trade. Okay. So on this case, you are nearly going to close your trade if it hit this middle Bollinger Band. Let's see another pair. So this is, you can use this on any pair. So we have been looking at a sell trade. So here, that is 7 o'clock. All right, so you can see none of these are closed above yet. None of these are closed above. They are touching the bed. We want to see the one that closes above, not just touch it. Close above, then you sell. When it closes above, then you sell. So here we haven't got a trade here yet. Let's look at the next one. See, a strategy that works on almost all pairs is a good strategy. It's not a curve fitting. A curve fitting is somebody that just make something work on euro dollar. When they give you a strategy, it can only work on euro dollar. Why? Why not on GBP USD? Why not on USD JPY? So let's draw this next one there. Okay, so this next one also, there's no trade yet. You can see nothing has closed above or below the Bollinger Band. So let's look at the next one. Okay, here also there's no trade here yet, but never mind. We are going to be looking for trade for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you don't look for trade. You stop looking for trade. Only looking for trade within 1 hour. So let's look at one more, whether we can see a trade. Is this one actually a, no, this is not a good pair. Aussie US. Okay, let's look at Aussie US. All right, so if we close above here, we are going to go short, but not there yet. Okay, because we're in a very low volatility period. You see, nothing much is happening. You can scalp yourself in this market successfully. Chances that you are going to hit your stop loss is like less than 5%. Okay, chances you are going to take profit is close to 90%. Okay, it's a strategy that works. Canada, Japanese yen, no trade here yet. Right, this one nearly, no, it hasn't given us a trade. You can see once it hits Bollinger Band during this low volatility period, it goes back to the middle. Always go back to the middle, because nobody is in the market right now to push that price. The US are gone, the Europe are gone, so who else is in the market? It's just little people left. Me and you. Oh my goodness. So when I mentor people, I give them the tools to be successful, and that's what we are doing in YourTradeMentor.com. We give people tools to be successful. Right, let's look at this now. Right, so this is where the trade starts. You can see this candle has put us into a sell, right? Because it closes above the Bollinger Band. So we are going to take a sell trade from there. Right. So let's put this back to 7 o'clock. So we are going to take a sell trade after this candle here, right? So what do you guys notice? Okay, I want to ask you a question. What do you notice? Do you notice that are we still going to be in this position, or we're already taking our profit? Somebody, that's a question to everybody. If you can reply. So if you go into this sell, are you still going to be in the position, or you are close? Let me make it bigger, because maybe so that you can see. Yes. So here you've gone into a sell position here. Okay. Are you still going to be in this sell position, or you already exit the trade? I want somebody with a keen eye. Somebody with a keen eye to look. If you have a keen eye, you can look at it. Okay. Are you still going to be in this position, or you will have closed your position? Okay. So you enter a short position here, and you set your TP and stop loss. Your stop loss is 30 pips. Okay, which you are going to set somewhere around 30 pips there. Let's assume that's 30 pips. It might be more, it might be less. Let's see. Yeah, that's 25. So 30 pips is around there. And your take profit is gonna be 10 pips round about there. Okay, even though we haven't reached our 10 pips yet, can somebody tell us if we are still going to be in this market, or our trade has closed? You remember the second option to close our trade is when it hits the middle Bollinger Band. So we enter through this candle. Good. We have already taken our profit. Thank you so much, Etuarina. Yes, we have already taken our profit with this candle. This candle, as we have already taken. So we will have taken some profit while we are training you. While I was teaching you now, and you are using my strategy, you will have taken how many pips to this trade? You could have taken about 7.5 pips to this trade, because you hit your take profit here. You don't wait until you hit your 10 pips. Once you hit middle Bollinger Band, you are gone. Right. You are gone. That is it. You are gone. So ladies and gentlemen, let me find, I've been showing you a sell example. Let me see if I can locate a buy example. So that's another example. Let's see if we can locate a buy example. Oh yes, good. You have taken your profit. Exactly. You have taken your profit, because your profit is taken at the middle Bollinger Band. All right, let's see this one. Let's see this one. Good, guys. All right, let's see this one. Okay, this is Euro GBP 5 minutes. This is our starting time. Okay, no, this one's move a little bit. So 7:05. Yeah, this is 7 o'clock. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is about 35 minutes ago, right? 35 minutes ago. So this is when we start trading. So we are looking for the Bollinger Band to close below middle. You can see Bollinger Band close below middle. What do you do? Here you buy. Ladies and gentlemen, you buy here. and your stop loss is 30 pips. So let me set stop loss so you can see where the stop loss will be. It's going to be far. So your chances of getting there is pretty near to zero. In fact, this is still 10 pips. So stop loss is far below, far below. And your take profit target is going to be 10. Okay, let's see. Do we get 10 pips from here? Yes, that's a 10 pips. Yeah, that's about 10 pips. Yeah, this is about 10 pips, right? But the same question I'm going to ask you now is that, are you still going to be in this trade? Let's say you bought on this line. So this line is your buy line. You bought on this line. Will you still be in this trade, or you are out already? This is your take profit target. But you know you can take profit on TP, or you take profit when you hit middle Bollinger Band. So have we taken our profit yet, or we are still in that buy trade? Yeah. So good answer. I want a good answer. Are we still in this trade, or we have taken our profit? Okay, so when you enter a buy here and you set your take profit here and your stop loss here, so you are looking to take profit either when it hits the TP line or when you get to the middle Bollinger Band. So you can see we enter here. The first candle that closes below Bollinger Band is a buy for us. We bought there. The second candle goes up. The next candle, what happened? It touches Bollinger Band, and because of that, what do? Right, as you know, we are going to exit the trade. We are going to close the trade. Fantastic. So we have already closed the trade, even though we have not hit our take profit target. So you are not waiting for 10 pips profit, 20 pips profit. It's called a scalping strategy. It's a successful scalping strategy. You can do this few times before the hour end. Remember, we are only trading 1 hour. So let me put a line to when we are going to stop trading. We are going to stop trading at 22. Yes. So when you get here, you stop trading. Stop trading means stop opening new position. Between here and here, you are free to take new position, to trade, to open new position. But once you pass this window, bye bye. No more new position. All you got to do is to manage your trade. Yes. Oh, good. You've taken your trade there. Wonderful. So you've taken your trade. You are out of the market, because even though it's still going up, but you are out of the market. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very simple strategy for you. You know, you got to you got to look at it and understand. But I'm going to offer you something that is going to help you to buttress and simplify and make everything that you want to learn to be super excited for you, right? So let me say that I told you, right? I've given you this strategy, but I've got a special bonus, right? Because I want to make sure that everybody that is here enjoys something and they understand what they are doing and they can be profitable. My goal is to make 1 million traders profitable in either Forex or shares, whatever market you are trading. I want to create a 1 million successful trader. So I got a special bonus for you, right? Special bonus today is that I'm going to give you a complete tutorial video, right? It's worth $1,000. I'm going to give you access to mentorship recorded video, right? All the videos I've recorded into mentoring other people, you will have access to it. I will give you 3 powerful trading strategies. It's worth over $2,500. I'm going to give you a premium indicator that I told you about, indicator that I use to become a good trader. I will give you that same indicator. You can download many more indicators from us. It's worth over $1,000, right? And I'm going to teach you both fundamental and technical trading strategies. So some people just know about technical, they don't know about fundamental. You are going to learn both with me when you come on board. Okay, that is a bonus. You're not paying for this. All those things you are saying, you're not paying for it. It's just a bonus. In fact, I have more bonus for you as well. Right? I'm going to throw this in for you. You're going to have access to members only forum. Well, we use Discord. Majority of you knows about Discord. We use Discord. You are going to have access to Discord. We are going to be having a trade preview session, you know, on a daily basis, sometimes on a need by need basis. You are going to have a priority support anytime you have any questions. You can ask any of us in the team. The good thing is that everybody in the team, we are all traders, so there's nothing special. When you have a question, somebody knows the answer. We have a trade signal recommendation that we push out. It's up to you if you want to take your own trade signal or you want to take somebody else's signal. Some traders in our group have already started giving out trading signals. So if you're a beginner, you can start with that, take other people's signal, and you can start trading it. But after a while, you start to generate signals. In fact, very soon we'll be ranking how people's signals are making money. We also analyze high impact news. So sometimes where there's a high impact news, we can do some analysis. All these are thrown in for you. Okay. Well, we release new videos occasionally, sometimes, not every day, not every week, but when there is a need to release a new video, we do. And when we do release a new video, you get it. You are going to get it. It's part of you. It's part of it. I'm throwing all this for you. You know, you have access to expert advisors. You know, in our sales page on our website, you have a page where we have indicators and expert advisor. You can download it if you want. It's part of it. Well, we have a live trading room that on Discord that you can become part of it. We are not going to charge you a penny for that. It's part of the package. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, if I put all this together, what do you think the cost will be? I haven't added it up, but I guess it's going to run into thousands, right? It's going to run into thousands. But I know my aim is to make 1 million people become a trader, a successful trader. If that is my aim, I don't want money to be the barrier. I'm showing you this to know that this is powerfully packed program. Okay. Now, this is our core offer. This is what we deliver. So we have 3 packages. One is the 3-day mentorship with me, and all the bonuses that we have talked about is inclusive. Everything we have talked about is inclusive. The second package is 1-day mentorship. Everything we have talked about is inclusive. And the last package is the 1-day training, which is just the second is the 1-day mentorship, which is 200. But the last package, which is the silver package, is you have access to everything we have talked about today. Okay, even though there is no mentorship involved. The first package has a mentorship. The second package has 1-day mentorship. The first one 3 days, second one 1 day, and the last package, package 3, is a members package. So you have access to everything we have talked about. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is for you, and I want you to benefit from it. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining. I know you want to do it. You want to do it. But wait. How many people are online? 20 people. I want people to put likes. I want likes to go to 20 because I want to give you something now. You can put more likes for me. I want to see more likes because I'm going to show you something that is going to be incredible. Okay. So these are the package. 500 for 3 days mentorship, 200 for 1-day mentorship, and $50 for being a member. All right. That is the 3 packages. So if you want any of those packages, 1, 2, 3, you can type it for me. Type 1, 2, or 3 for me. Don't worry about anything else. Just type 1, 2, or 3. Whether you want the 1, 2, or 3, you can type it for me. 1, 2, or 3. Okay. Don't rush away because I'm going to stay here to answer any questions you have. If you have any question, I will answer them. Okay. Type it. Right. So this is the package. This is what my members have been paying for the last 12 months. Okay, good. Thank you so much. I see the likes coming through. I see the likes coming through. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Samuel. Thank you, Taboho. Thank you, Coco. Thank you, Troarina. Thank you, Samuel. Demi, thank you. Thank you, Robert. I see all of you guys. I see Sonny. Opia, thank you so much, Opia. I see you there. Who else? I see Opia, Troarina, Demi. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Right. I'm going to give you something now that I've not done before. So wait, guys. I've never done this before, but I'm going to do it for you now. Okay. You see, I said to you, you are going to pay for package 1, 2, or 3. Okay. And some of you have decided whether they want 1, they want 2, or they want 3. Okay. Wait for it. Now, I can tell you authoritatively that you don't have to pay a penny. You don't have to pay a penny for those 3 packages. I know some people may have dropped off because they were not expecting this. Come back, come and hear the story. You don't have to pay a penny for any of these 3 packages, including everything we have said so far. Nothing to be paid. But I want my like to get to 20. Like to 20, please. Like to 20. You are not going to pay a penny for this. I've never done it before, but I told you my aim here is to make 1 million people become successful traders. And if I put money up and ask you to pay money up front that I want to train you, well, you want to do it, but maybe you don't have the money, which is a very valid reason. Hence, look at these guys here. They call them Blueberry Markets. I think you know them already. They are very reputable broker. They are very powerful, just like IC Market. They are regulated in Australia. They trade Forex, CFD, crypto. Everything that you want in a broker, they have it. In fact, if you look at the platform I've been using to teach you today is for Blueberry. You can see their spread is very low, just like any spread that we want to use as a trader. Right. So what happens? They have partnered with us and they said they will give us, right? They would pay us for your training. So if you choose package 1, for example, they will pay us for it. If you choose second package, they will pay us for it. Third package, you don't have to pay a penny. All right? Because we have said to them, we can turn people to become successful. But you got to be a good broker. We are not, I don't want to put my name on any silly broker that's going to be, messing people around, not paying their money, withdrawal difficult and stuff like that. This is a high rated broker. Top broker. 5-star. In fact, if you go to their review, you can see their review is very good. So for the silver package, which is $50, you don't have to pay $50. Fund your account with $200 with BlackBerry. You get that package for free. If you want the gold package, remember the gold package has 1-day mentorship with me, one-on-one. We are going to talk one-on-one for 2 hours. You don't have to pay me at all. Just credit your account, create your account here, and credit with just $500. You get trained by me. And if you want the big package, the biggest package there, you saw it. That is the $500 package, which is the diamond package, the biggest package, $500. You will get it paid by Blueberry Market. All you have to do is to fund your account. Right. So Koba, if you want option 1, yes. So I'm going to send you a link now. This link, you have to do it very, very quick. Reason is Blueberry Market has told us that they cannot accommodate everybody. They will accommodate just few people. So I am going to send you the link, right? So when you get the link, just put your name here, first name, last name, and email address, and just say create account. It's as simple as that. So you got to do it very fast. I'm here actually to answer any question you have. So I'm going to do that. So right, so you got to click that link that I just sent you. So when you click that link, for example, Kobo, you click the link when you are going to fund your account. Since you want option number 1, you fund your account with just $200. If you want option 1, which is silver package, you fund your account with $200, just $200, and you come back to us and we will give you full access to our system. Everything, you full access to our mentorship, full access to website and everything. And Kuma, you want option 3. Okay, so Kuma, yours is option 3, which is diamond package. Diamond package will give you 3 days access, 3 days, solid 3 days training with me. In fact, you have a 3-day with me that we are going to talk together. I'm going to as well, you learn from my experiences where I've made mistakes and when I've corrected my mistake. So you learn all those things from me. So if your package is number 3, that is what you are going to do. Let me quickly show you on our website how the package look like. Okay, just for you to know. Okay, so this is how the package look like on our website. This is YourTradeMentor.com. So we got three packages, which is silver, gold and diamond. So all these packages, you are not going to pay a penny. As you can see, someone else is going to pay it on your behalf. Okay, it's going to be paid by Blueberry. So for Kobe, so you choose this package, you deposit just $200 to Blueberry Market. Kuma, you pick 3, so you are going for diamond package. And the diamond package, you know what happened is you got 6 hours mentorship with diamond package. All right, with the gold package, you get 2 hours mentorship. Okay, with the gold package. But with the silver package, there is no personal mentorship, but you get support. You get support from me, from every one of us. Yeah. So that is for those 3 packages, but it's going to be paid not by you. It's going to be paid by the broker. Okay, it's going to be paid by the broker. Thanks for giving me more likes. I need more likes. Oh, you lost your internet like 3-4 minutes. What did you say? Cool, you okay? All right. Okay, what I said was that I was saying that you were supposed to choose either of this package and make payment, because I want to make sure that you become a successful trader. But I know some people might not have that money to get the proper training. So I have got a partnership with Blueberry Market, and what they have decided is they want to partner with us but pay for your training. So they will pay for your training. So you have to choose either of those 3 packages. So if you choose the silver package, which you just seen, you deposit your $200 in the account, in your account. When you open your account with Blueberry Market, you deposit $200. Then you will get the free $50 training from me. Okay, if you deposit $500, that means you are saying you are choosing gold package. If you deposit anything above from 1,200 above, it means you are choosing a diamond package, which is 3 days training with me, personal training. We are going to do the training on either Zoom or on Discord. I do it on Zoom, I do it on Discord, depends on which one you like. And we are going to record the training session, so that you can listen to it over and over and over again. So when you are in a trading environment, you want to have something that you can refer to. So we're going to record the training session with you, and of course any questions that you have, we are going to answer it. So so those are the 3 packages. So can you type the packages you want, and let's know, because we have a number that we have been given. Once we hit that number, we can have more people. So we want to know who is interested right now, so we can add them up and know that we haven't reached our target yet, because some people have already paid us. All those packages you saw, people have already paid us in the last 12 months. They've been a member, they have been paying. So for you to get it for free is special. So make sure you don't miss that opportunity. Just click that link and register with Blueberry Markets. Okay, I see the likes. Thank you Kumar. Ephraim. How are you, Ephraim? Are you just coming? Who is new? Who has never been to my training session before? If this is your first time of coming to training session with me, let me know. Yeah, let me know if this is your first time, because I normally identify people that are coming. It's quite a long time ago that we've done this, but a lot of people have been with me. They know when we do our training session. Okay, guys. So pick either of the three packages. So I'll show you the packages one again. So you have three packages. One is the silver, one is the gold, one is the diamond. They are similarly the same. You know, you got all these things there, but the difference is, for the gold you have 2 hours mentorship with me, and for the diamond you have 6 hours mentorship with me, which is 2 hours per day. That's 3 days. But remember that you were supposed to pay this 500 US to me. A lot of people have paid this money to me. A lot of people, they've paid it already some times ago. You know, this 200, a lot of people, in fact many people have paid this. But you are here today, and you were lucky to be here, and not only lucky, you choose to be here, and because you don't even know that this is going to happen. So this is a great opportunity to take it and use it. Okay, so it's not going to cost you $50 here to have a silver package. It's costing you $0. It's not going to cost you it's not costing you $0 actually, because someone is paying on your behalf. Blueberry Market are paying the fee. So I'm not doing just for free. They are paying the fee on your behalf, because they want to have your business. So gold package is 200 USD. You are not paying that. Blueberry are paying it. 500 if you choose. You are not going to pay for this. Blueberry are going to pay for it. So people have told me that they want this because it depends on where you are on your trading journey. If you are a professional, you know what you are doing, well, maybe silver package is fine, because you don't need too much of holding hands. You know, silver package might be fine. If you are just trying to get yourself together, maybe you want to understand a little bit more strategies, maybe you just need a 2 hours mentorship. However, if you really need to dig deep, if you need to dig very deep, right, if you need to dig very deep into Forex, and forensically, you want me to forensically look at what you are doing right and what you might need to do better on, then I would suggest to go for diamond package, because that's 3 days. Day 1 is to analyze you. Day 2 is to give you strategies, and day 3 is to practice it and then make sure that all comes together. So in that case, that will suit you. Remember that you're not paying for any of this, right, guys? You are not paying for any of this. Someone else is paying it for you. All right, Kuma, you'll be going for the silver package actually. Okay, that's good. That's good. If you go for the silver package, it's fine. So remember to click that link. All right, that link will take you to, let me see, that link will take you here. So when you take that link, it will take you here, and it will say start your application now. Okay, you start your application, you put your name, last name, email, and your phone number, and you click start. See, these people have a very good customer support. If you have any questions at all, you see it identified that is me. All right, identify is me. So if you have questions, just write your message here. Say hi. I want to open an account. What do I need? Blah blah blah. They will come back to you, and they have a very good customer support. Very good. Look at their review on Trustpilot. 4.8 out of 5. That's good. That's a 5-star. When Forex people give you 4.8 out of 5, that means they really know that you are good. There's no hiding anywhere. Google Business also give them 4.9% out of 5. Excellent rating both, and 5-star. So, which is fantastic. One thing you should note about them as well is this. If you go to their homepage, they do trade quite a lot of instruments. Let me go to their page. So I say blueberrymarkets.com. If you go to blueberrymarket.com, see they do have a lot of they do trade a lot of instrument. You see, that is the review we just saw right now. We saw that they have 4.8 review on Trustpilot. They have 4.9 review on Google for Forex Peace Army. You guys, you know Forex Peace Army, right? They have 4.6 review on that. Their spread is quite very good. Start from 0 pips. You can see. Let me show you the spread. Right. See, right now this is the spread as we speak. You can see the spread right now with euro is 0. Okay. If you check their platform, it will be 0 as well at this time. So I mean, a lot of you know about IC Market, that they're very, very good in terms of spread. These guys, they are in the same country. IC Market is operating in Australia. This Blueberry also are operating in Australia. They are well regulated. I'll show you their regulation very shortly. So they have a very good review. Let's see. They have a lot of traders on their platform as well, but they want to grow. I think the reason why they are doing this is they want to grow. They want to be number 1. They are still far away from being number 1, but they aspire to be number 1. So they don't mind to pay for your training to be part of them, to help them to go to reach their goals. So they have 24/7 support. As I said, this support is very, very handy. You can deposit and withdraw with no hassle. So many ways to withdraw and deposit. In fact, I think they do have we can pay with crypto as well. You can pay with crypto. If you want to pay with crypto, I think they have a crypto payment system. I'm going to click here, go into another page later on to check that out. Some good reviews for them on the internet. All right, this is also important. You know, they have quite a lot of instruments you can trade with. Forex is what we have looked at today. Some people might be interested in trading shares. Some people crypto, commodities, and indices. So anything you want, they got it all. Okay, so Michael, you want number 2. Okay, so let me send you the link again. So some of you that have not seen the link, I hope I still got it. Let me see. Yeah, I still got the link. I hope the link is working, guys. Test it out, make sure it's working. If it's not working, let me know. Okay, so if option 2 is yours, Michael, so if option 2 is yours, then it means that you are going to deposit 500 USD. So deposit 500 USD and you are going to get the gold package, which is worth $200 for me, and that will be training you. That is what you are going to get. So you are going to get 2 hours of mentorship. The 2 hours is a day. So you decide which day you want. What I normally do is I open up my calendar. You go online, you go to my calendar. I'll open up the hours that I'm free, Monday to Saturday. So you pick a day and you pick a time, 2 hour time slot. So choose a time that is convenient for you, provided that I'm available at the time, and then that is your package. So but everything we have said so far in terms of bonus and the special bonus, you get them all. Everybody gets all those bonuses. Okay, the only difference is the number of mentorship, personal mentorship. But I will stress that personal mentorship is very, very important. But if you are already making money, you are already profitable, you just want to be part of a successful group. We are building to 1 million traders. Our number is growing rapidly on Discord. We have a Telegram group, which is a free group anyway, but Discord is where our paid members are, where we do all our live trading. So we want to grow that number to 1 million. It's a tall order, yeah, but you got to dream. You got to dream. You got to think about it and help other people. Because my aim is to help as much as I can. I can choose my working time right now. I don't have to do 9 to 5, but not everybody can do that. But I want to get people to the point where they can choose their time of work. They don't have to be bossed around by anybody just because they have to make a living. All right, so Michael, so you click that link. Hope the link is working. If the link is working, give us a thumbs up. If there's a problem with the link, let us know so I can look at it. So if I go back to completing what I was doing here, I think I was looking at BlackBerry. Yes, Blueberry. So they do indices. It's very simple to get started with them. Just apply, verify, and start trading. Verify means that you're just sending your documents, because they are regulated, so they will need to see some of your documents, ID and stuff. All right, so what more can I show you here? Let me show you their regulation so that you know that these are proper regulated people. Okay, never trade with a broker that is not regulated, because they might just disappear one day and you won't see them again with your money. That has happened to me many times. Not many times, but it has happened to me before. I can name few brokers. The people know who are called our party broker. they disappear from the face of the earth with all our money. Not just our party only, there are a few of them like that. Okay, look at this. They are regulated by the Australian Security and Investment Commission. This is a powerful regulation. This is as good as being regulated in the US. It's as good as being regulated in Europe. Australia is also a very good country that take regulation very seriously. No, don't compare it with regulation in Bermuda or Cayman Island or even Seychelles. Some of them, yeah, to be honest, these guys also are registered in Seychelles, and the IC market is also registered in Seychelles, but they do have operation in a more regulated environment. So which means they can't run away. They cannot go out of the face of the earth. Somebody else have to look for them. All right, so their promises, I believe they will keep to their promises. Although they have given us a number that once we reach that number, we will no longer be able to sell or tell people about this. People will have to come up with the money. They will have to come up with the payment, like here. They will have to come up with $50. People have been paying this. They have to come up with 200 and 500 later. But for you guys that are here today, you don't have to come up with that amount of money at all. Because these guys, they just say, look, we're going to do it for you. So, okay, good stuff. All right. So, I will encourage you to use their help desk. Yeah. See, use their help desk. Chat with them. Just chat with them. See whether what they were saying is right. Just chat with them. Though this time around, I don't know whether they are, because it's Australia. Australia are now in the midnight. So thank you for that, Michael, for signing up. Good stuff. And did you take option 2, right? So you take option 2, yeah. So I think you will get the request to submit your documents. I think they need ID. Probably some people that have done. If you have done it before in this group, can you tell us what they required? I believe some people have done it. Yes, they've signed up before. They will ask for your ID document, I believe. And it could be a passport, it could be driving license, it could be voter's card, it could be student ID card, it could be any ID that is current, that the date is current. Probably they will ask for proof of address, which could be anything, your bank statement, but make sure you take all your big money out. The $1 million in the account, make sure you TPS it. You just want to see the address of the bank and your own address, or probably, just to be sure that it's yours. You can use utility bills for it as well. Like in this country, for example, you can use like water bill, electricity bill, telephone bill, things like that. They will take it. So I think their system is very straightforward. Within a day, they could open it. All right, thank you very much. A lot of people are signing up. As I said before, we have limited number of sign up we can take. The problem is you will hardly see where somebody is going to be giving you this kind of mentorship for free. Definitely, you have to credit your account to trade anyway. You cannot trade without, you know, putting money in your account. So you have to fund your account before. So, but this time around, you are funding your account. But for doing so, you are getting mentored by somebody that knows what they are doing. All right. And I think that is an opportunity. If I had that opportunity, I don't think I will. It will take me years. Oh my goodness, it might take me weeks and months, because I'm not saying that because I'm going to tutor you now, mentor you. I mentor you for one day, and suddenly you are now making 100% profit. No, that's not my promise to you. Is that I'm going to show you practically what I do and how I became successful, what I trade with, and we are going to analyze what you are doing and see what you can improve, because sometimes it's not the whole lot of changes that are required. I'm sure nearly all of you have done one training or the other on Forex, so you are not going to be hearing about moving average for the first time, or MACD, or trading the news, or Ichimoku. You've had all of this before, but you just need a little bit of external input from the person that have done it before, you know. Okay, however, the leverage given by them is 1 to 30. Okay, so they can give you a higher leverage of 1 to 500. Yes, so the thing is that, you know, not just the Blueberry, nearly every broker, if you are applying from Europe, you are applying from US, you are applying for from all these big countries, those countries have limited all the brokers to give 1 to 30. So it's not the fault of the broker, really. It's the country that you're applying from. I'm not sure which country you're applying for, but if you're applying from, let's say, Asia, Africa, Latin America, all those areas, they have 1 to 500. They have 1 to 500. Let's see if we see it there. Leverage. Let's see if you have a leverage here. Okay, account type. Okay, let's look at the account types. What of the account type they have? Okay. Very good. Very good. You can see this is the account type you have. They have two types of accounts. One is the standard account, and the other one is the direct account. Direct account means raw account in terms of IC market. So the standard account the spread is 1 pip from 1 pips, but you are not going to pay commission. Commission is 0. So this is called no commission account, and that is commission account. That's all the difference. This one is no commission, and that is commission. Okay. So for the commission account, no commission account, so no commission, but for the commission account is $7 per churn. So when you buy now one standard lot, you pay $7 commission. That is, I mean, you've been trading, you know that is what is happening to everybody else. It's not just them. IC Market, Forex.com, all of them, they charge commission. $7. Some people might charge a bit less, so they charge $7. If you trade 0.1, you pay 70 cents. If you trade 0.01 lots, you pay 7 cents. Right? So you can see the leverage here. Kuma, you can see the leverage. You have a leverage up to 1 to 500. Okay, so they can push your leverage to 1 to 500, right? So you might chat with them or just change your account leverage. So you can trade micro, yeah, minimum micro, and you have a lot of tradable instrument over 300. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for opening that account, Kuma. Thank you very much. I think yes. So if you have any question about the deal, just post your question here. I will answer it. I'm here for as long as possible. I can stay here for as long as it's necessary. to answer all the questions. So after deposit, should I send you email with screenshot of the deposit? That's a very good question. Once you've deposit, yeah, they will provide a report to me to show me how many people have actually opened the account and have funded the account. Okay, so once you've done that, yes, the next stage is for you to get in touch with us or with me. Oh, you are from Australia. Okay. Oh, wow. From Australia. So you are in the same country as they are. Okay. So you want to get in touch with me. So let me first of all give you our Telegram, because Telegram is one of the best way to get in touch with us. Telegram. So Telegram. So I'm going to give you our Telegram link. So when I give you this Telegram link, once you're done, even though I will have your record, you just confirm it on good. So you can, if you join Telegram now, I will see you once you join the Telegram group. Okay, let me show you our Telegram link group. This is our Telegram group. So you can see, let me collapse this so that it doesn't stop you from seeing what you want to see. So this is the Telegram group. As you can see, this is Demi here. If you want to, okay, Kuma, welcome Kuma, you just joined, brilliant. Let me send you message. You can see my message. Welcome Kuma to the group. Kuma to the group. Okay, you can see I've just replied you. See that is me there, Dare, that's me. You can see this is me here. I am online. Okay, your trade mentor. Okay, you can send message to me if you want to send message to me. So once you join it, once you join us, you got your package. Just send a message to Telegram. You just say, oh, hi, I'm here, I just joined. Somebody will catch you from there on. Great stuff. Thank you, Demi, for that contribution. Yes, Telegram is the best place. Right, so for the trading platform, these guys, they have MT4. How many people uses MT4 or MT5 or Web Trader? I don't know how many people use Web Trader. I don't know how many people use Web Trader, but I know people use MT4. If you ask me, I would say more people uses MT4 than MT5. The Web Trader, I'm not so sure. I don't use it, but I've used both MT4 and MT5. But personally, I stick to MT4. Well, they wanted us to go to MT5, but majority of people are not going there. I wonder why. Well, you know what adage? The adage says, if it hadn't broken, don't fix it. So if MT4 is not broken, so why giving us MT5? Maybe that's why people don't go anywhere. So you apply, you get verified, you start trading. So Kuma, you have applied. I think you are now okay. Leverage Pips. Somebody else joined. Maybe Leverage Pips. Are you on YouTube? I'm not sure whether you're on YouTube. If you are, that's fantastic. Yes, that's fantastic. Welcome you. So we are nearly 1,000 members, which is good. I wanted to show you before that whether you can pay using crypto. Let me see. Can you pay using crypto? Payment methods. Yeah, let's see whether you can pay using crypto. All right. So I think I click that. Where does it go? All right, let's see. Where is it? The reason why you loved. I'm looking at payment method. What did I click? Okay, so you can trade with all this stuff. Okay. So you can pay. All right. You can trade with Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, bank transfer, Skrill, Poly, OnPay, right? If you pay with Visa, your money is instant and there's no fee. If you pay with PayPal, it's also instant. PayPal may charge you. All right, that's PayPal. If you pay with Skrill, it's instant and no charges, and you can pay with any of these currencies: Australia, Euro, Pound, New Zealand, Singapore dollar, US dollar. You can do a bank transfer, but if you do a bank transfer, I think it's going to take 1 business day Australia, 2 business day international to get to your account. You can use Netella as well. The charges also vary. It uses 1 business day in Australia, 2 business day international. Hey, this is what I want to refer to. You can pay with what? Theta. That is crypto. You can pay with Theta, and you can pay also with Bitcoin. Okay, so it takes between 15 to 30 minutes to get to your account. So if you have a Bitcoin wallet, you don't have to pay dollar. Just use your Bitcoin and pay the amount you want to pay. All right, the charges will depend on the wallet provider. All right, so these are other payment methods. Poly will be 0 charges, instant. T-Pay, BT Pay will be instant, 0 charges. Fast Pay is also instant, 0 charges. And Dragon Pay Philippines is 0 charges and it's instant. Okay, look at that. They process withdrawals within 24 hours. So within 24 hours of submitting your withdrawal, they process it Monday to Friday during business hours, 9 to 5 p.m. Okay, so remember this, because I was caught unawares with this before. Actually, not with these people and also with IC market, because Europe time is different from America time, from Australia time. So I thought I was submitting my requests at 7 o'clock my time. By that time they were probably sleeping. So later I learned the proper time to submit my withdrawal if I want to get it within 24 hours. But if I submit it in the wrong time, it will take more than 24 hours. So, but I will be thinking, oh, they promised 24 hours, it's more than 24 hours. But it was me, because I submitted it at the wrong time. So they said Monday to Friday, if you submit it 9 to 5 p.m., that is their own time, not your local time, Australian time. That is Kuma's local time. That's Kuma's local time. Yeah, so the fund will reflect in your account depending on the withdrawal method. So within 24 hours, yeah, it will show. Yeah, I can tell you they will process it. I've withdrawn a few times from them. They will process your withdrawal. So ready to start. All you got to do is just let's see, withdrawal. So withdrawal, see, you can withdraw the same way you fund your account. You can withdraw with Visa, PayPal, and all of this stuff. And charges as well is the same, 0 charges. So it's 0 charges. All right, 0 charges. Fund and withdraw from your account also free. So but remember that you have to choose either silver or gold or diamond. And also remember, you don't have to pay for the training at all. They are going to pay for the training on your behalf. But make sure you let us know that you have signed up and you have credited your account. So for silver, you will put 200. For gold, you put 500. And for diamond, you put 1,200. And then you come to us on Telegram and say, yeah, I've done it. And then the next thing is, let's discuss when you want to start. Instantly, when you come on Telegram, when you've done it, instantly you are a member. So you come on Discord with us. We have a very powerful Discord group where we analyze trade on a daily basis. Every day we put through out signals. So you join us with that. And so 200 for silver, 500. Just make sure you put the correct amount in your account. If possible, don't do it 2 times. Say for example, you want to fund with 500 US dollar. Don't put 200 first and then put another 300, because if you do that, they might think you wanted the silver package. So just put the 500 at once. That qualify you for the gold package. If you want the diamond package, which is number 3, I know somebody want number 3 earlier. So if you want number 3, don't put your money gradually, you know, like 500. No, just put 1,200 at once. Well, the thing is, these numbers are the minimum. They are not saying you cannot add more than that. So luckily, say for example, you are thinking of silver package and you are buoyant and you put down 800, you'll be automatically upgraded to gold. You'll be automatically upgraded to gold. You know what gold will give you? Let me show you. I mean, we've seen it before. The thing gold will give you is just that for the silver, you don't have one-to-one mentorship, but you got access to everything. But gold will give you 2 hours mentorship with me. So I will be speaking to you on Zoom. You will see me on Zoom and we'll be chatting. Okay, Kuma. Yes, Kuma. Oh, deposit done. Look, Kuma has just done his deposit. Thank you so much, Kuma. Wonderful. So yeah, so after this lesson, Demi will reach out to you. Yes, Demi will reach out to you and she will take the time that you want to have your training. Which, may I ask you, which package did you choose? Is it 1, 2 or 3? So that we know where to put you on, whether we are going to schedule a one-to-one or we are just going to go on Discord. In fact, I think we are going to add you on Discord straight away. Yes, I think we can add you on Discord straight away because you have already credited it. I will check the report later on though. So yeah, so the difference is that the gold package will get a 2 hours training one-on-one, and the diamond package will get a 6-hour training one-to-one. Okay, right. Thank you so much, Kuma. You're wonderful. I wish you all the best. Like most of our traders, you know, maybe very shortly we might be doing testimonials so that traders can say what they experience with us, your trade mentor. And I think we are also on Trustpilot. Let me see. I haven't checked that in a while. We're on Trustpilot, YourTradeMentor.com. So I will check that. So these packages, it depends on the level you are now. If you are comfortable, you can stay with silver. But if you want to move to gold, that means you'll be taking taking lessons, 2 hours lesson for gold. You'll be taking 2 hours lesson for gold and 6 hours for the diamond package. But you know what? Usually students will say, "Oh, this is too much to pay," right? Which I agree, because if you are going to trade, remember, if you are going to trade, you need to deposit money, and you already coughed out $500 for training. Well, where is the money to deposit except you are really buoyant? So now it's your chance. You can go for it. Choose the big package, right? Choose the big package. It's going to be paid for you. At the same time, you have a bigger trading account, because now you'll be trading with 1,200. But then you get all the things that we have said, and also you'll be having a 3-day mentorship with me. Your 3 days doesn't have to be consecutive days. You can spread it as much as you want. You can do it a week apart. You can do it a month apart. You can do it 2 days or 3 days in a row. It's all what you want to do. So however you want to do it, we are going to accommodate you. Okay, we are going to accommodate you whatever way you want to do it. Okay, so Trade Mentor, we do have a great review as well. Let me show our own Trade Mentor review on Trustpilot. This is our Trade Mentor. This is Trustpilot. We have 4.3. So let's see our review. These people are independent review. There's nothing to do with us. I don't even know them. They might be one of our students. So This guy says your trade mentor will change your story. It is an amazing community with great people. The value you will get is far more than the money paid. And even now, you don't even have to pay money. You just get the value. You will be mentored to become a profitable trader. My trading has never been the same since joining, and I want to be a life member. If there is something above 5-star, I will have given them. That's good. Another one. My journey in the YTM family have been amazing, educative, and mind-blowing. This is the right community for every Forex traders. Another one says YTM is a great resource on all things trading, indicators, great guidance, and popular training session from Dare. Thank you. You don't want to miss that. Also, great discussion group for numerous strategies. Try it, you won't regret it. So someone else says YourTradeMentor.com is a wonderful community, super mentors, excellent members. For the first time, I belong to a community where trades are reviewed. Here you are given the necessary support a trader will need, such as books, analysis, etc. A community where members are happy with themselves and share their trades idea. So on and on it goes. This is another one. I have given YTM 5-star for 3 reasons. 1, you get extreme value for the price paid. And for you guys on YouTube tonight, you are paying nothing. So you are just getting extreme values. There is enormous resources available at your disposal on the platform. Customer service is just awesome. Community, everything. So look, these are great reviews. So thank you so much, everybody, tonight. You have been awesome. If there's any more questions, I'm here to answer. But otherwise, you can post them on Telegram. Once we close this show tonight, you can post them on Telegram, and I will answer them on Telegram. Okay, if you still have any more questions, I will answer them on Telegram. Okay, so thank you so much, you guys that stay behind. I hope this is valuable today. We did look at a trading strategy, remember. So if I just give a review of that trading strategy, let's quickly go back to there and see what has happened. Right, this is our trading strategy. You see, this is the last one we reviewed. You take a buy position here, right? You already hit your take profit again. All right, no, sorry. This is the first. This is the closing time. Okay, so after here, you are no longer trading. So if we're going to go the full cycle, right? So you start your trading at 7 p.m. and you stop trading at 8 p.m. 1 hour. You can see what happened to Bollinger Band. If you know a little bit about Bollinger Band, you can see it squeeze. This is what called Bollinger Band squeeze. Squeeze means it's not a breakout trade, but this is a range band trading. So chances of breaking out is very low. Unlike before during the day, you can see a lot of expansion, right? You can see expansion because they can break out and take a while to come back. You can see a lot of breakouts, but once you get to this time around, it's going to be so quiet. See, it's going to be so quiet. If you look at that, see, it's going to be so quiet. There's no breakout expected, unlike here when it breaks out and keep going and going. So that is the full cycle of our training. So it's been wonderful, nice. Thank you so much, everybody that has signed up today. If you haven't signed up yet, consider to click that link. Let me send the link one more time before we go. And I want you to be part of it before we close this opportunity, because our partner Blueberry Market has said to us, this is not going to be forever. They don't want to be paying $500 for everybody forever, but they want to make sure that they pay for the right people that are excited to learn and they want to improve their career. They want to make profit, and that is what we want to do as well. We want to help people to make profit. All right. So is that all the questions we got tonight? If that is the case, I wish everybody all the very best. I wish you all the best in trading, and I wish you that you will continue to improve and get better, and then you can achieve your aim objective. You can choose your time of work, spend time with your family, go places, travel, freedom. This is all what we dream of, which is a possibility, but you got to go with for it in the right way. So once more, thank you. The internet has been up and down, but it looks like it's stable now. So Kashifon, I want to speak some languages. Oh my goodness. Danke show. Which language can I speak again, right? Kuma, speak Australian. Can you speak anything not English? We don't want to hear English. We want to hear some other languages. So thank you so much. You gave me 13 likes, which is fantastic. And next time, when we are coming back online, we will give you indication of when we are coming. Remember to subscribe to the channel so that you can get a notification bell, and remember to click the notification bell as well. If you do, and then we are coming online, you will know when we are coming online. You can join us. Great. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and my wish is for the best for all of you. Thank you. Good night all.